ever read something and forget it minutes later? What if you could remember almost anything super fast, like the world's smartest minds? Geniuses don't have better brains. They use better systems. Today, I'll show you how to remember anything faster using a 4-step method powered by ChatGPT prompts. Let's start with something dense and complicated, like this paragraph on neurotransmitters. Most of us would read this and tune out. Now watch what happens when I paste it into ChatGPT and ask it, explain this for a 5th grader. In seconds, AI gives me this. A simple, clear explanation. Understanding comes first, and AI helps you get it faster, just like a genius would. Okay, now that I actually understand the concept, the next step is to pull out the most important parts, the things I need to remember. I just asked ChatGPT, from this explanation, extract the key terms and define them simply. And here's what it gives me. A clean glossary, complete with those helpful analogies from earlier. Look at this. Instead of highlighting everything, AI helps me zero in on the stuff that actually matters. This is how geniuses study. They don't try to remember everything, just the right things. Now that I've got the key terms, it's time to connect the dots. Because geniuses don't just memorize facts, they understand how everything fits together. That's where mind mapping comes in. I give ChatGPT this prompt. Using these key terms and definitions, outline a concept map showing their relationships in a hierarchical or bulleted format. ChatGPT responds with this clear, organized textual outline of the concept map. And here's the even more genius part. ChatGPT then asks if I want it visualized as a diagram or mind map image. I simply type yes, and boom, it generates this beautiful, interconnected mind map right here in the chat. It clearly shows how a neuron creates an electrical zap, action potential, releases neurotransmitters from synaptic vesicles, which cross the synapse, hit receptors, and either excite or inhibit the next neuron. This isn't just memorizing facts. It's building a comprehensive mental model instantly. It's turned isolated facts into something I can actually remember and connect. Even if I want to draw my own mind map later, this gives me the perfect starting point. Now here's the part that really locks it into memory, testing yourself. Because geniuses don't just study, they quiz, recall, and refine. So I ask ChatGPT, give me 3 fill-in-the-blank questions based on those key terms, but don't give me the answers. Here's what it gives me. Now I answer them, and this time I'll get one wrong on purpose. Instant feedback, no waiting, no guesswork. That's how you go from learning to mastering. So let's recap. Here's how you remember anything faster using AI like a genius. Step 1, simplify it, make it make sense. Step 2, identify what really matters, key terms and definitions. Step 3, connect the dots, build a mind map. Step 4, test yourself and let it give you instant feedback. Stop passively consuming information. Start using AI to learn with precision, to simplify, organize, and recall. And to help you apply this instantly, I've put all the exact ChatGPT prompts I used in the video description below. Just copy, paste, and start remembering. It's not about having a better brain. It's about using better systems.